So following on from demo 1, I want to show you how you can use VIDEOSUMO to create your own videos. Now again, if I take you through the process, you may remember if you watched demo 1 that we have two modules. In demo 1 I explained the research module, and in this video I'm going to talk about the video creation module. Now again, I will reiterate that you can use both of these as standalone modules. So you can use the research module on its own. So if you had a bunch of videos that you'd used in the past that didn't rank for whatever reason and you wanted to re-upload them with the correct data, then you could use the research module on its own, and the same with creating videos. Now you can use them both together. So if you extracted all of the data as I showed you in demo 1, you could add it and then create a video all within the same application. But just to keep things simple, I'm just going to demonstrate how to use the video creation module. Now there are actually three ways in which you can produce videos. You can produce them from images, so you would put a keyword up here and relevant images would show up here. Okay, video results, the same kind of thing, so you would put the keyword there and then you could add different clips that relate to that keyword. Okay, so you could say add that item there and then add that one, and you see it just builds the slides there out of the videos or images, whichever method you're using. You'll also see up here that you can add your own images. So these are images that you may have on your device. Just by clicking there you can add those images and then you can use those within your video. But something that I want to show you, and something that I think is pretty cool, especially if you're into launch jacking or something like that, is the build a video from a URL. And this is very, very easy to do. So what I'm going to do here is just going to paste in the URL of a website. See, this is VIDEOSUMO, and I'm going to define the height as 3000. You can extend this or decrease it. It's entirely up to you. And then if I click there, just wait for it to load, you can see that it loads up the site inside of the application. Now what I can do is I can use any aspect of this site and I can crop it into a slide. And let me show you how this works. So in order to crop slides, we have this little frame here. So all you do is drag that around, reposition it to whatever you want to use and resize it. So you can see it's all very, very easy to do. So if I wanted to use that section there, I would just put the frame around the area that I want to use, and then up here I just click crop. And you can see that it's added there as a slide. Now I can do this with as many areas of the website as I like. So I could use this area here, for example. Just drag that one over a little bit, like so. And you can see it's all added there. So again, this allows you to turn pretty much any website, any web page into a video. It will take you a few minutes to grab all of the slides, and then once you've done that, and once you're happy with the amount of slides you've got, just click proceed to create the video. And you can see those slides are added there. Now what you will notice is, just for this example, I just threw in a couple of video clips that were available free from video results. Now obviously I didn't actually put in a keyword, but if I had, I could have used these within this video. So I can use the slides, I can use video, I can use images, I can take slides from different websites. Anything that you add is kind of added over here in the slide area. So all of this is added to your video, and obviously you can edit them, you can delete them if you want to, you can move them around. Like I say, I'm just going to keep this really, really simple now and just go through the process. So just to reiterate, you can use images, you can use video results, you can extract from a page. I've just shown you that. So you can take slides from a page just by cropping, and you can combine that with multiple sites. So it doesn't have to just be this site here, for example. I can add another 2 or 3 different sites and crop areas of those sites as well to use in my video. And then if I click there, I'm taken to the next area where I can add additional elements. Now we can add overlay text, we can add or change background colors, font colors, we can add intros, we can add outros, and then if I click continue and preview, the audio option screen opens. Now here I can add my own narration. So let's say, for example, I cropped a number of slides from a website and I wanted to narrate those slides and make a launch jacking video, for example. What I can do here is I can narrate the whole thing. So as the video plays, I can narrate over the top of it and it will record. I can also add background music. So we have a number built in. So you can see that there are 10 audio files built in that you can add to your video. So you see here I can preview the video. So if I just want to click there, you can see the video clip that I added to begin with, and then there's a secondary clip, and then we'll see a couple of the slides that I cropped from the website. So once I'm happy with that video, all I need to do here is save and share the video. So I can upload directly to YouTube and I can upload directly to Vimeo. And it really is as simple as that. You can combine images, videos, you can crop from websites. So essentially you can turn any website into a bunch of slides which you can turn into a video, and you can do that in literally minutes.